What's up, guys? We just got here in Saginaw Bay. We're just launched in Linwood, Linwood Beach Marina here, and we're just about to head out. They're dropping off the trailer. We got Reese, Cole, me, Dad, and we got the Mako today. So we're gonna go smack some walleyes tonight. I'll let you know. Just getting set up. Here we go. Another walleye. Come on, walleye.
Good one?
Oh yeah, looks good. Another good one.
Is it a walleye?
Yeah. Number 2. We're making a living now. Reese, do we got this bait out? No.
Oh,
on, board.
That one's gone 3 times now.
That's a big fish right here. Doubles up.
Where's the camera?
How do you click it? On, it's 30 on. Okay, you guys got to flip. This fish is right here. Yeah, flop.
I can. That'll be good.
Is it a good one, Reese?
I'll try to let him see that.
Oh, that's a giant, dude. Nice.
Got it. First one of the double.
Good one, Reese.
Right there. Yep, you got it.
Oh, there's something.
I saw it.
I saw him back there. I don't think it's a
Another double.
Yours is a keeper, Reese.
Oh, what is mine?
Am I gonna have to put two walleye in one net here? That looks like a funny. Yeah, that Reese's. Let's chase this big ass. Is it a big pike?
Big ass. Big foot.
Nice!
Oh! Look at that. Got that on camera.
You guys are you want to be on your knees?
Is that a ball?
No. No, he's first. He's right there. And he brings me in, I'll get him out.
Hey, come close enough.
Nice, that was a double, boys.
Fires,
That's how you
man.
get him.
It's fired, Reese.
Silver and green.
Cole's hooked up. We're pulling. That's a nice one. Where's the double? Is what we need. We're hooked up again. Cole's hooked up. We got all the sailboats going by us here. We're out here in Saginaw Bay. We're fishing by the Spark. Had a good night. You know, some nice fish. 9-10 walleye. Another one on. So yeah, we'll let you know. Maybe. Oh, it's a big fish. Big walleye. Big walleye. Look at that.
Hey, watch that. Oh, it's a big one. He's barely hooked.
Oh, got him. Just came off in the net.
Nice.
Big walleye.
Well, nightcap.
On my fire tiger.
On the fire tiger. Nice. fish of the day. Just got all set up here on day 2 of Saginaw Bay. Reese just hooked up on the first one. Hopefully it's big walleye.
Oh, you just walk back. First one in.
First one of the day, baby. Woo. Good one. Clown.
Nothing more fish.
Right.
Fish might have moved just a little.
Big walleye.
Oh, that's a tanker, dude. Look at those buckets. Oh, baby. What a hook in his mouth. Yeah, he's walked way back, same angle.
Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that one. There you go. Done.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, that was a glass flicker minnow. Oh, we are hooked up again. Reese.
That's a big tanker right there.
Big fish. Drag puller. We're on again.
The green one's fired back up since you guys took it off.
Green. Oh, we still got 2 out.
There's a little pocket right here. This is basically where we...
Flicker sheds. 90 out. Our money right now.
Ours ought to start going.
Oh yeah. It's a walleye back there. Coming right to the boat.
Oh yeah, it's a keeper.
Nice one. Barely hooked. Got him. Oh, off of the net. Came off of the net. Another nice walleye. Look at that. That green and silver flicker shad right there. It's a free fish. Nice.
7.
Here we go. Staying deep. Oh yeah. Oh, nice one.
Oh my god.
Wow. Got that one on video.
That was a crazy
Oh,
one.
got that one on
The
video.
handle even goes out further, does it? Yeah.
Oh,
Is that all
I
right?
think I extended it all the way in.
green and silver again. Doubled up. Reese has got one on 3 color. Got one here.
Mr. Green Jeans was going.
Got one here on the flicker shad. 90 back.
That's a keeper, guys.
Reese is just skipper.
That's a keeper. In the net.
Skipper. Saturday morning, a lot of boats out here. Oh yeah, that's keeper. Whew. Nice. Could be 13.
Are you watching the boat chase?
Oh yeah. Oh, we landing the double here. Landing the double.
Good one. She's at all. Good.
Yes, sir. Another walleye.
No, it's sheephead.
Oh, sheep's head. No good here.